The Odisha unit of Bharatiya Janata Party is preparing for a high-profile youth event in Jharsuguda, scheduled for September 27. The national level Yuva Samavesh is expected to witness the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, although official confirmation is awaited. State BJP President Manmohan Samal told the media that a final decision on the Prime Minister's participation will likely to be made by tonight. With limited time on hand, preparations are reportedly underway on a war footing. The event, set to be launched from Odisha, is being positioned as a nationwide program aimed at engaging India's youth. Sources within the BJP suggest that the Prime Minister may use the platform to make a major announcement targeted at young citizens, possibly focusing on confidence building and youth employment. According to the party, hundreds of young participants from across the country are expected to attend. Given that youth form nearly 72% of India's population, the BJP sees this congregation as a critical step in strengthening its presence and outreach across the region. Leaders have indicated that the Prime Minister himself was keen to have this event hosted in Odisha, underlining its strategic importance for the party's national agenda.
ये बर्तमान 27 तारीख में जो युव समावेश हम ऑल इंडिया लंचिंग हम प्रधानमंत्री तो झारसुगुड़ा में आज राति सुधा चूड़ांत निष्पत्ति हम मोर अनुमान 99% ये प्रधानमंत्री ऑल इंडिया लंचिंग करेंगे चूड़ांत निष्पत्ति हेल्ले पुणी जन दी से कार्य तो समय ना कम तो आरंभ कर जोर चलती आ 10 हम तो आज जो देखते ट्रेलर काल टू वार फुटिंग कम चलो
ऑल इंडिया युव समावेश हम सर
युवक मान गोटे से गोटे बड़ घोषणा करपारती युव समावेश से जो पक्ष पालन चलती गोटे से ऑल इंडिया लंचिंग टा ओडिशा को एवं युव समाज गोटे भल वार्ता तो देवे आ युव समाज गोटे आत्मविश्वास तैयारी होता किसी घोषणा कर।